Use the grid to make a rough estimate of the slope of the curve in y units per x unit at the points P1 and P2. So this is the graph we have given. We want to estimate the slope at point P1 and P2. For that, you just have to draw a tangent line through P1. Just draw a tangent line and then pick 2 points on that tangent line, and then just use the slope formula for using those 2 points. That will give you estimation to find the slope at P1, and do the same thing at P2. I'm going to use an example here because that would be easier for me to explain things. So let's go here. Very same example, very similar type of example. Here is the P1 and here is the P2. We would like to find out slope of the tangent line through this point P1 and P2. Okay, so for that we need to draw a line and then find the slope of that line. Remember, slope of any line can be found by using this formula, or by using if you know the 2 points on a line, you can use, let's say one point is x1 y1 and another point is x2 y2 on that line. Then the slope of that line can be found by using the formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's go here and draw the tangent line P1 at P1. So this is the tangent line at P1, tangent, and now you just have to pick 2 points. Any 2 points would be fine. Okay, so in this case we are picking these 2 points. Look at here, the point at this one, which is less than 1, and another point is 0 0. So by using this formula, which is difference between the y coordinate of those 2 points and difference between the x coordinate, it gives you the slope. So in our case, the y coordinate for the point on the top is 0.7, x coordinate is 1. So at 1 the y coordinate is 0.7. Here the x coordinate and y coordinate is 0 0. So just use y2 minus y1, which is 0.7 minus 0, which gives you 0.7, x2 minus x1, which is 1 minus 0, which gives you 1. So that is your slope estimation for the tangent line passing through P1. Okay, so just choose 2 points and use this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I mean, y2 means the y coordinate for the second point, y1 means y coordinate for the first point, and you are free to choose which one is your first point, which one is your second point. And by doing exactly the same thing, you can also choose you can also find the slope for the tangent line at P2. Just draw the tangent line. This is a tangent line, and just pick 2 points. Here in this case we are picking this point on the line, as you can see here, this point, which is at 1, x equal to 1 and y equal to, it's in between 1 and 2. So which is what is that, it's a 1.12345. So it's a 1 point, so they are divided into 2 units here, 2 4 and then 6 less than 6. It's a so it's a 1.24 5.6 or something. So that's the y coordinate, and x coordinate is 1. Similarly for this point, the x coordinate is 1.5 and then y coordinate is 2.123, so 2.6. Okay, so by using these 2 points and by using the very same formula like we did here, we can find out the slope. Okay, and that is -1 over -0.2, and these are just estimation, so slightly here and there would be fine. Okay, I hope you understood. Otherwise, you can also visit my office hour and we can talk there. Okay.